guys? It's Corey here on Texas Living. We've been working on the duck boat today, but we got it all vacuumed out. There's my Coke right there, the Domino's pizza box, but we got it cleaned out. We're gonna paint it. We still got a month till till duck season, but I mean, the motor runs, fresh battery, fresh gas tank. We just fixed the negative on it. We still got to jump it off from the solenoid though. That's the only bad part. That's good. But I mean, runs good. My boy Trev. But we are gonna try to put a metal plate right here, from here to here, and try to, so we can mount a light bar right there. But we need to try to get a hammer and beat that back out. Yeah, that's true, so we don't dent the metal up. But I mean, we got steel plating right there, so may try to do something, fix that. We're gonna buy new wood because the wood's warped. As y'all can see, I've seen stranger things than that, but it's not terrible. Running good. But I just wanted to show y'all on that update. I'll do some more. We did fix the trailer. I didn't get that on video though, which kind of sucks. We put new leaf springs and a new U-bolt on a whole new trailer. And I don't know if y'all seen the old one, but I'll come show y'all right quick the old one. Walk out here right quick. So y'all can see the actual result of the...
Y'all can see what happened with duck season number 1.
Yeah, duck season number 1 under our belts.
Final duck hunt.
So here's the boat. I mean, here's the trailer. Where we put the axle?
I don't know where we put it. Over here.
And this is the axle. So originally,
this was the right side.
this was the right side tire. No, this was the left side tire. This was the left side tire. This one was cocked out. Was it like that? Hold on. No, there's more. So it was cocked. It was cocked like that. And this side was underneath the boat. So it was kind of bent this way.
Yeah, this tire would be right here on that duck boat.
Yeah, it'd be right there at the end. But as y'all can see, that's not the straightest axle we've ever seen. So the rims messed up, tires messed up.
And look at all the water in this hole. Now we gotta do.
We gotta fix the sand bass boat.
Make a video on this someday.
Need to clean it out. That's a lot of water. It's almost a full beer almost. So.
He said almost.
But
I know the brake light.
yeah, I don't know if it's any good.
Yeah, it don't sound good.
But yeah, that's it for today. We'll do some more, and I'll try to get it on a video. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell too.
Hey, doses.
See y'all later.